Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to edit video on PC on Windows 10 using simple built-in tools. This method is perfect for quick edits like trimming videos without installing extra software. Step 1. Locate the video file on your PC and right-click on it. This allows you to access more options related to that video file. Step 2. Click Open With. This option lets you choose which application will be used to open and edit the video. Step 3. Select Photos from the list. This opens the video inside the Windows Photos app, which includes basic video editing features. Step 4. Click Trim Video. This tool is used to cut unwanted parts from the beginning or end of the video. Step 5. Drag the left slider to the point where you want the video to start. This helps remove unnecessary footage from the beginning. Step 6. Drag the right slider to the point where you want the video to end. This ensures only the required portion of the video is kept. Step 7. Click Save As. This option allows you to save the edited video as a new file without changing the original. Step 8. Choose the save location and click Save. This stores your trimmed video in the selected folder for later use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more easy Windows tips and tutorials.